So I'm about to propagate some tomato clippings that I took off my mother plant. It's been a generous plant all winter long for me, so I've got two good sized ones here. And then I've got four small, a little bit smaller, should be 6 inches, but we're going to try it because, like I said, the mother has been so generous to me. So it's going to be, I've taken so much from it that I am going to be getting rid of it anyways soon. So all I did was mix in each of these little pots my black earth. I put in some of my crushed eggshells. I've got banana peelings. I dry them and make them into powder, so I got a little bit of that in there, and then I also got some bone meal as well. So I got that all mixed in there, and what I'm going to do is right now I'm going to take our little clippings. I'm going to take off these lower branches. Whatever I can get into the soil, I will, because that's going to help encourage the rooting, and we'll see how it goes from there. So, all right, so here we are. I got them all planted. As you can see, I overshot here. I have a extra pot. I'll just save that for the next sucker that I clip off the plant. I have a few more that I'm waiting for them just to grow a little bit bigger. Like I said, this is all an experiment, and we'll just see how it goes. Probably about 2 more weeks. As long as my plants still look healthy, they should be good. And I do have some more inside the house that I planted yesterday. Those ones I started them in water with willow clippings in the water. I did get a little bit of rooting starting, but however, I did let them stay in the water for maybe a little bit too long. So yesterday I did put them in pots, just like I did these guys. And I will see how those go. There's 7 of them. I'll show you a little clip of those ones I'm talking about. Alright, so here they are inside, the ones that I just planted, and you'll see what I mean. These are the ones that were in the water, and I just put in the soil yesterday. They did have a little bit roots started and some little nubs on it, like for the roots to come out. I'm not concerned if they don't make it, but if they do, bonus. I'll have a whole bunch of tomato plants, but if not, I got a feeling these guys are going to be working well for me, and because they're already in the soil. And also I do have a few more on the mother plant that once they grow a little bit more, then I'll be able to plant those. However, this is all an experiment, so it's just a fun little thing for me to do, and if I get more tomato plants, then that's a bonus.